Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today will be our last card using Ghoulish Goodies, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Ghoulish Goodies one more time, and we're going to be using this cute little kitty into a frightfully good friend. And I thought, since I had been making little treat bags and goodie bags and stuff, we would go ahead and make a card with this last one. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Emboss and Cut. Cut and emboss. Cut and emboss, yeah. Okay. So I have a piece of Whisper White. And then I have a piece of our black glitter paper. And then I have the Stitch So Sweetly, and I believe we're using the second and the third from the largest. All right, we will run this through. And the black glitter paper is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. It's important to have that size because we're going to also use that as our matte piece on our card. All right, so we have this and we have this. Have y'all all got this machine yet? I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, so we'll start our stamping. I have my Memento Tuxedo black ink, and we're going to do our stamping on the Whisper White piece. And I'm going to get our little kitty cat, and he's mounted on clear block B. He looks like a sarcastic little kitty, doesn't he? All right, and for our sentiment, we're going to come in with the Cajun CRAZE. And I also have the sentiment mounted on clear block B. Just like that. All right, I'm going to bring in my silicone sheet and my Stampin' Seal. Give it a good rub down here. All right, and we have Magic in This Night Designer Series paper, and it's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. All right, and we're going to put it on our matte piece. Actually, just a second. We're going to come in with our glittered Organdy ribbon. I just love all this black glitter and sparkle. All right, we will put this down. Just like that. And then we're going to flip it over, put some more adhesive on the back. And I am running out Let's see. I have another stamping seal handy. My tripod is blocking my compartment of where my refill goes. All right, so our card base is Cajun CRAZE, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, so just like that, then I'm going to come in with our piece that we have here with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And since it's a Halloween card, I'm going to go ahead and use our black Stampin' Dimensionals. And this is a really good deal because you get both the regular size Stampin' Dimensionals and the mini. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Halloween card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!